Today's product spotlight is on the Tesla T-BARKIT. The T-BARKIT will now come in recyclable packaging. This makes the item far more presentable, and it joins a lot of our other products in moving away from plastic packaging wherever possible. Still included in the kit is an expansion vessel service valve. This allows you to isolate your vessel from the system for recharging or replacing without having to drain down the whole system. We have a 3-bar pressure relief valve with gauge. We have a multi-directional air vent and a 15mm system inlet. This is a fantastic item for hanging your expansion vessel neatly and securely on a central heating system. If you would like to become a stockist of this item or would like any more information, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.